So, good evening, attorney. So, tonight I'm going to do the blinded recitations of the Rule 130, Section 3 and 10 of the Revised Rules of Court. And before that, I'm going to let you check my ears and how I put this blindfold in my eyes. So, Section 3, original documents must be produced. And the subject of the inquiry is the content of the document, writing, recording, photographs, or other records. No evidence is admissible other than the document itself, except in the following cases: when the original is lost or destroyed or cannot be produced in court without bad faith on the part of the offerer, when the original is in the custody or under the control of the party against whom the evidence is offered, and the latter fails to produce it after reasonable notice, or the original cannot be obtained by local judicial processes or procedure, when the original consists of numerous accounts or other documents which cannot be examined in court without great loss of time, and the fact sought to be established from them is only the general result of the whole, when the original is public record in the custody of public officer or is recorded in public office, and when the original is not closely related to the controlling issue. Section 10, evidence of written agreement. When the terms of agreement is reduced when the terms of agreement have been reduced to writings, is considered as is considered to containing all the terms agreed upon, and there can be, as between the parties and their successors in interest, no evidence of such term other than the content of the written agreement. However, a party may present evidence to modify, explain, or add to the terms of an agreement if he or she puts in issue in a verified pleadings an intrinsic ambiguity, mistakes, or imperfections of a written agreement, the failure of a written agreement to express the terms and agreement of the party thereto, the validity of the written agreement, or the existence of other terms agreed to by the parties or successors in interest after the executions of written agreement. The term agreement includes wills. So that's all, attorney. Thank you.